Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, one more day to go before the weekend, and the good news is temperatures will be about a degree or two cooler going into the weekend, but the bad news is the humidity is going to be coming up. It's all about the wind direction and not much prospect for showers and storms, but that will change as we go into next week. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery. The upper level patterns kind of messy along the East Coast. All that tropical moisture streaming out of the Caribbean all the way up through Florida, the East Coast, keeping it cloudy, occasionally wet. We have this big ridge of high pressure over western Mexico, and in concert with that high and that upper low, we've seen a dry west northwesterly flow aloft around the periphery of the high, up farther to the north and west, some strong to severe storms up toward the Dakotas. Meanwhile, for us though, you can see that dry air moving across the region, pretty much squelching any significant cloud activity. We did have a fair weather cumulus cloud field. I thought we might see a shower pop up from that, but it's not going to happen. It would have already happened. We'd already see a shower by now on the radar, and we're not. Tomorrow, though, maybe another day. A couple of disturbances out here by the Oklahoma-Texas panhandle may drop in this northwesterly flow and may allow for an afternoon storm. So we'll be cautiously optimistic to see that. 93 degrees right now, the actual high 95 today, beating the record of 94 set back in 1998. So another day with a record in Lafayette. New Iberia, though, was 2 degrees shy of their record of 95 today. West wind at 14, that's been key. As soon as the winds turn around out of the southwest, we won't be quite so hot, but we're going to be a little bit more humid with time. Temperatures this afternoon mostly pegged in the low to mid 90s. Meanwhile, conditions offshore, a little bit of a west-southwesterly flow here, so that's keeping the coastal parishes a little bit cooler, closer to the upper 80s, and that's what's going to happen over the days ahead. A southwesterly wind tomorrow and then a southerly wind for Saturday, so maybe our highs get closer to the lower 90s. And oh, by the way, with fair skies this evening, look to the west. As soon as the sun goes down, you're going to see that pretty crescent moon. Also, Venus is going to be pretty close to the crescent moon, so look for that shortly after sunset, and then up until about 9:30 or 10 o'clock tonight, both the Venus and moon set roughly around 10 shortly after that tonight. So once it gets low on the horizon, hard to see. So prime time about 8 to 9 o'clock this evening. It should be a pretty sight this evening. As for your futurecast, overnight tonight, generally fair skies, maybe a few high clouds as we go first thing tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny day. Some clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures at lunchtime right around 90. There's our winds, west-southwest. Then as the afternoon wears on, more southwesterly. So maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm starting around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 1 or 2 here or there. And if they do form up, they may be drifting to the southeast, if anything at all. Again, late tomorrow afternoon into early tomorrow evening, maybe the risk of that shower or thunder shower. But again, rain chances not too high at about 20% or less for tomorrow, quiet going into tomorrow night. Here's the drought status. As anticipated, we're getting into the yellow. That means abnormally dry conditions, so we're one stage away from a moderate drought, so we do need a change in the pattern, and we might see that going into next week. We'll expound more on that coming up tonight at 10. Low to mid 70s tonight, a low to mid 90s tomorrow, and as we head down the road, we'll favor lower 90s versus mid-90s. 73 the low tonight with fair skies tomorrow. 93 the high. 94 is the record for tomorrow. So we're going to get close to that once again. Perhaps an isolated afternoon storm. Rain chance staying quite low Saturday. Sunday maybe up to about 20%. But going into next week, getting closer to 30%. The daily afternoon showers and storms, typical summer pattern, will develop for next week. But it may go away by the following weekend. Lots of 90s in that forecast. But one of those 10 days, we might top out only in the upper 80s.
Oh,
so yeah, we got to look forward to something, right?
Thanks, Rob.